Back with another video, guys, and now that we are up in Prescott, it is a crisp 56, but then when we looked at the temperature, it looked like it was possibly a crisp 51 with the wind chill. So because of that, we are going to make grilled cheese and tomato soup, and we are going to do it in this guy. We're going to roast all the veggies, blend them up, make tomato soup, and then do a gourmet grilled cheese and see how that goes. So we're going to chop these up now. So we're going to do a small batch. So this is our first time doing a smaller batch. We're going to have to see how this goes. So we just got 1 white onion and then 4 tomatoes and 1 head of garlic. So we're going to see how this goes. We make everything too big and too much. So we're going to try not to do that with this. So this is why we're going to do this. So you're pretty much just going to quarter everything. Chop up the head of garlic. Throw that in there. And then hopefully we'll do the cool trick where we're able to just push the garlic out because it's roasted. That's what I want to try to do. So we're going to get all this cut up.
Chancy.
Boo-boo. Yeah, someone have a boo-boo.
She was playing too hard and
Yeah.
ripped one of her pads.
Yeah, we were playing ball before we started dinner so we could get some energy out. And she ripped the little pad off of her little nubber here. So we got her all patched up and she's not happy about it, or you?
No, she's finally walking around though.
It is a little chilly, so we're gonna put her little Yoda on. And a boo 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 boo. Oh, I know. Oh, I know. I know. Hi. 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 Oh, yes. Yes. There we go. Let's get the broke paw in there.
No, it's fine.
Hey, she'll broke. Oh, she'll broke. Are you a little gangster? You a little gangster? Do. All right. This one's the hardest.
I know it is.
There we go. But it's the cutest one.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely doesn't keep her the warmest.
No, but it should be good.
There you go.
Oh,
awesome.
I think it's preheated.
Yep. So we have a new Instapot or Insta fryer that we got that gives us a little bit more room.
Yeah, the bin's a little bigger.
Yeah. So we're excited about that. Awesome. Pretty much just going to flop that down in there.
Oh, that's so good.
And all you need to do for this is just add some olive oil in here, which we're going to do. Coat these bad boys up.
That new bottle is super nice.
Yeah. We used that in the Boundary Waters. It was awesome.
It's a little flexible squeeze bottle.
Yeah, it's by OXO. So we've got our AP rub we always use. Gonna dump that in there. And then some Italian seasoning. And then we're just gonna throw it in.
See what happens. It's our first time using the air fryer on bake.
Yep.
So we'll see if it actually bakes it. Or
Yep. We're gonna try 30 minutes first. And then Amanda's got some work to do. And I'm gonna play on the Nintendo Switch. The OLED, because we got it. We'll see how this goes.
She's sunbathing now.
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Oh, bye-bye.
Nanny. You good girl.
We rebuilt the fire pit because that one just looks like a hot mess. And this one's all nice and fresh, and we're going to have a nice, big, long fire tonight, that's for sure.
I hope so.
Yeah.
It's chilly.
Yeah, it's getting cold, but we're loving it. Oh, Brokenness is going to try to...
No, honey. Go place.
If you guys noticed, we got a new chair that we're going to do a review for you. But it's got blankets on it.
It's attached.
Yep.
I'm so excited.
This is Kelty's newest chair that we didn't know about because, as you guys saw, ours broke right here.
Came out.
Right there.
And we couldn't get it back in.
Yeah. So we looked up their chairs, and they have this new one that's called their Nest chair because these have blankets attached to them so you can just roll them out on top of yourself.
Yeah.
So probably do a review for you guys with that once we have a little bit more experience with it. And then this is the bag that it comes in. We actually kept it this time.
Yeah.
But it is cute because it does say fur baby on it. So for your pups to have a place to also lay, unless you're bougie like Chancey and you have a bed that's also a mesh and has a comforter on it.
I know, it's so nice.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Now you shove all the stuff in here. See how this goes.
You need anything else other than basil?
I think I can get everything. I think the rest of it's in the fridge.
Okay. Oh, it looks so good.
I know. Got all of our roasty toasty veggies in there.
It looks so good.
They smell really good.
Yeah, they do.
Trying to make it all fit.
Yep.
See how that goes. Did you bring the basil?
It's up on the stand. I'll go get it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was able to do the cool thing where you push the garlic out.
Are you?
Yep.
Oh, yay.
Ooh, that was really hot. Hotter than I expected.
Be careful, please.
Oh.
How much basil do you want?
I guess a handful.
Oh, it's gonna be really full.
Yeah, it is. It's okay. That's all right. That's really hot. That's really, really hot.
Just below-ish the max fill line.
Yeah, it'll be fine. It's fine.
Oh.
Ooh, that's really hot.
Yeah, I bet.
Now that we pureed all the ingredients, now we're just gonna warm it back up on the stove here. And we're gonna add some vegetable stock and some heavy whipping cream. Just gonna take that at low simmer. And we got our other pan ready to go to make our grilled cheese. So when we mean the fancy stuff, we mean Gruyere cheese, medium cheddar, Tillamook, and provolone.
All the cheese.
All the cheese.
Yep.
And we actually need another piece of bread.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you only pick one piece of bread?
Yep. Yep. Which is how it's going right now.
Well, I'm gonna take the basil back inside with me.
So it's good.
Again.
Do up some Gruyere cheese. Yep.
You're ridiculous.
That's how the day's gone. And we're just gonna do a good old rough grate on this. They got cold real quick and got that fire going.
Yeah, it did.
Oh, don't you start splashing on me. Nope. I got white on.
Oh, yeah, don't stain that.
Oh, yeah. This is fun, yay.
Let me know when I can come out and I can man the soup. I just don't want to smack you with it. Alright, I got the soup.
Alright.
Oh, it looks so good. Just like low is good, probably.
I'm trying.
Okay.
Without putting it out.
Yeah, that should be good.
Alright. So, gonna do up some... I already got the soup on my hand.
It's fine. It's all going together anyway.
Yep. Yeah, let's splash it all the way up top. That's great. Thank you.
You're welcome. I think I need a Clorox wipe all this when we're done.
Oh, yeah, we are. If anything, this is very messy. That's for sure. At least that we've learned.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty basic ingredients. You can do heavy cream, or we got heavy whipping cream, and we're just going to do a splash of it.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're gonna add some vegetable stock. Our vegetable broth expanded.
Oh, yeah, it did. The elevation, that's crazy.
All right.
It's kind
And
of to
you-
get to a good consistency.
Yep, that's all you want is whatever consistency you want. A little bit more.
Maybe just a tiny bit. Yeah. I like my tomato soup a little thick.
Yeah, like your women.
Oh, it looks perfect.
Yep, so we're pretty much just gonna let that warm up now.
Yep.
Let that do its thing. Check your cheese before you leave. We have moldy cheese. So that's gonna be a no. So that means more provolone and more Gruyere. Got it.
All right. Good thing we brought 3 cheeses.
Yep, and this is kind of what our soup looks like right now. Like a nice kind of medium thickness. Just like Amanda said, she likes her women. And then if you guys don't know, using mayonnaise on your bread to toast it, game changer. Hands down. And we use Duke's and Best All Foods. Those have been the 2 we like. And then you grate more cheese. And on top of that, because we're so old, but we really wanted this, we have to take lactate pills because we both have dairy sensitivities.
Yay!
Yay! I just want to stay over here because it's warm.
I know.
Yep. So, got one side of our bread all mayonnaised up. Gonna go ahead and just plop that down. Then I'm gonna take our cheese, which is provolone and Gruyere. I'm just gonna lay that down. If you guys are wondering, we're just splitting one sandwich, just like a half. We're not too hungry, but hungry enough for this.
Mm-hmm.
Easily.
Sounds so good.
Yeah. Thanks.
It has a little like toggle that attaches.
No.
Oh, it just.
It's Velcro, but.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I haven't looked at it too closely.
No, I was trying to see. I think it's this.
Mm.
Like it goes under here like this.
Yeah, that makes sense. To
Yeah.
go on like your knees and stuff.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
I think I put it back on right.
All right, close enough.
Yep. See, this is the blanket part.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
And there's one over on the other side too.
Yep. Keep your legs nice and warm.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's see how much of this we can spill.
I know. I'm gonna try not to.
Who doesn't love a good grilled cheese and tomato soup? Which one are you trying first?
I'm doing the soup first.
All right, well, cheers to that.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm.
That's
is better than the-
beautiful.
So good.
What are you about to say is better than the first time I made it?
Yeah.
Sounds about right.
There's more flavor because there's less tomatoes, I think.
Yep. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
And I want to say it was roughly like a pound
It was like
of tomatoes. It was five
Five.
ripe, 5 tomato. What is it on the vine?
on the
vine.
tomatoes. Yeah.
Yeah. And then 1 white onion, and then just 1 small head of garlic,
Mm-hmm.
and then a handful of basil leaves. We did our AP, which is salt, pepper, garlic, and then we added some Italian seasoning, heavy whipping cream, heavy cream, and then some vegetable stock.
Oh.
And it is making this night perfect.
I'm doing the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
My hand was getting hot.
Yep.
Usually I eat my grilled cheese with mustard. I dip it in mustard,
Yep.
but I didn't bring it. So
Yeah, we forgot it.
that's fine.
Guess what, though? We'll have everything with us very soon.
I know.
All the time. I'm really trying not to drop this on my white, nice shirt that we just got.
The grilled cheese turned out really good.
Mm-hmm. And the cheese bowl on it. Awesome.
Take it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is better than Campbell's. This is better than Prego.
Oh, it's so good.
And it's so easy to make. It just takes a little bit of time.
Yeah. And we have a beautiful sunset over here.
Yep. And a beautiful fire.
Mm-hmm. Fire's nice and warm.
Mm-hmm. Since the sun's going down now, sunset today was at 5:35.
I know. It's getting earlier every day.
Yeah, it is. The pool on it is insane.
Mm-hmm. It's ridiculous. Did the veggies look the same when you air fried them bake versus in the oven bake?
Actually in the air fry. So we did air fry bake, and honestly, it did better than the oven.
Did it?
It did better than the oven.
It did not get its liquidy on the bottom?
It still got liquidy on the bottom, but what was nice was that it charred up a lot faster with a lot less time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
And we did 30 minutes at 400 bake in the air fryer. Yeah.
These keep me really warm.
These have been like one of the best investments. These little North Face
They
shoes.
look really funny.
I love them. I don't think they look funny at all.
I think they look like slippers.
Well, they technically are. And you hate slippers. They are.
I don't like slippers without socks.
Well,
And I don't like it when you get the little toe things in them.
You've never done it because you only ever put mine on.
I know.
Yeah. So,
I like these.
yeah. I'm glad. Keeps us warm. This fire's keeping us warm.
The fire is really nice.
Yeah, it is. Do you guys winter camp at all? I guess you could call this winter camping for us because everything
Technically.
else shuts down when actual snow comes.
Mm-hmm. All the rare instances of snow.
Yeah. I mean, it's still 70 down in Phoenix today. It was 77 today.
I know.
And it's the first day of November.
Yep.
And we're still hot.
Yep.
We won't be soon.
I know. It'll be fun.
Yep. All the changes.
Mm-hmm.
Now the fun part. Clean everything up.
Woo!
Yeah.
It's not the fun part.
That's the fun part.
Okay.
This chair feels a lot warmer.
I agree.
The butt,
I think the material's different.
I think it's thicker.
I do. Well, ours was so sun damaged, weathered.
Yeah. It got good use.
It did. It was well worn.
Yeah, it definitely feels like it's warmer on the butt and in the back.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm not as cold there.
I agree. You can put the blanket back there too.
Yeah.
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 But I do think it's a little thicker.
I do too.
Or some kind of insulated or something. I don't know.
Yeah.